thank you for 60 subs so much. Today we are playing Big Scary with my friend Pepsi Cat. Go subscribe to him. Oh, I remember how nostalgic this is. There's a Big Scary plushie? Hold on. I need it. 2 is color. I need it just so 0, 0. There's only 5. Okay, I guess I'll do 0, 3. Wait. Yeah, 0, 4, 0 fits me the most. Dude, I remember how nostalgic this is. I'm getting so much nostalgia just looking at this mirror. Oh my gosh, dude. Where have the days gone? 3. Okay. I haven't played Big Scary since freaking, September. No, I actually haven't played Big Scary since, like, the Halloween update. Oh, crap. Enter. Borrow pet. The blue one? Oh, what's up? Dap me up! Now, remember when there was like a guy sitting in a barrel in here?
You see that blue
Still sing?
Fat and stinky. You see
Why is he so fat?
Let's go. I don't even know what I'm doing here, bro. I'm better than Hosh.
Yeah, if you disagree, I'll assassinate your family.
Bruh.
They don't know.
Did you just say assassinate my family?
To that gas station and take.
It's Shrek. He's the owner.
You gotta help me, man.
You gotta help me, man. It's crazy. Dude, this can be. Wait, is this?
Because I'm better and he's fat and stinky.
No, he's not. Good. I almost got demonetized on my old YouTube channel. I don't even have monetization. What am I talking about? No, we're gonna go to level 1. We're gonna beat the game in order. Why can't we go to level 1? Oh, come on. Is he faster? Yeah, I know where to go. The end is right here. Whee! Hold up, watch my ending. And I know. Not the baboon. You go to that button, I go to this button. No! You're gonna get chased! Yo! Did you die? He's right there. You're leading him towards me. Now, can you, like, come, like, distract him? Come distract him. Come out and distract him. What's up, you fat baboon? I'm in the safe zone, dog. What you gonna do, huh? Ow, you suck. Let's go. And I know. What is this? Whee! Oh, I remember this. Is that the wheel? No, that's a ticket. That's my ticket. I'm gonna get killed doing this. Oh, I have 3 bananas. Where's the wheel? do you mean? Oh, it's this. Why does he look like a human being running on all fours? That's what. There's no monsters besides that cat. I know, besides the cat. But like. I'm gonna go over where you died. Hey, cat, come and get me. I need to go see Dominic. Alright, I'll gladly kill. That's not a cat, that is a mouse. Oh, I should have been prepared. That's too dark. Nope. Let's go this way. We haven't been here yet. Come on. He's over at the cyan light. The wheel! I got the wheel. I don't think he's... Yeah, we went straight last time. I'm always going left, right, to the left, to the right. He's still here. I think he's stuck though. Yeah, he's stuck. I didn't die, dog. I'm still here. I'm just standing. Oh my! No! Dog, stop spawn camping! Bro, it's a literal rat! It's a literal rat! Come get me, dog. I'm joking, don't, please. It's a rat! Stop spawn camping. Hey, boots and cats, 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 boots. Pew! Stop screaming in my face! Stop! I said stop screaming in my face, you idiot! Don't touch me. You fat. Come on. That was a juke. That was a crazy survive. Hey! Let's go. Oh, we go to yellow, right? Yeah, it's yellow, it's yellow. What? No, watch this. No, watch this, Dominic. Move! Whee! Oh, yeah, it's yellow. Ah! And I'm gonna kill you. I'm scared. Is this the vent level? Oh, you son of... It's that stupid rat again. Oh, look, it's his family. I demised that dumb rat. Oh, no. Chat are weak. I literally peed myself like 6 times. Move! If I hear stomps, I'm gonna scream. I suck with my timing, dog. I suck with my... I don't want to look at it. Ah! Oh, that isn't... That looks like the guy from Doors. Imagine you die the next second. I really hope that these flashlights get better. I don't want to risk my life for the guy from... Run! It's the guy from Doors! What is my capybara doing risking his life out there? Hallelujah! Hallelujah! What's that guy from Doors? Yeah. We both die. As soon as I scream, he die. Gotta move. I gotta peek like on Kevin McAllister. Safe. Let's go that way. It's totally safe. We're totally not gonna get eaten. You go first. I went first last time. Please die. Please die. I'm not risking my soul. Oh, that's... What are you doing, capybara? Oh, he was literally right. He spawned on your back. Honestly, this game is hilarious. Let's go. Let's go. This way. We're not going that way. I have a feeling it's behind us. I'm scared. Just kill me. I just saw my capybara through the glass with the demon. Where do we go? Where do we go? I say we go this way, where the monster is. You go first. I peed myself 16 times since we started. Yeah. Totally where the monster is. I just peed in my pants, dog. That's even worse. I just peed myself a 7th time this entire minute. Chat, we're cooked. If I see blood splatter all over your neck, I'm gonna run away. All worth it for the bottom. We both get murdered. You want to skip to level 4? Cause like, honestly, Big Scary needs more attention, dog. Wait, we should go to app chat. They can't even hear us, dog. I'm so sorry that you couldn't hear it. Come on.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. You sound like that Stickman animated guy who says, "Let's go gambling."
Oh, I'm trapped.
Did you die?
Me.
You died.
I got cornered. Where are you?
Oh my god! I was like, Doom! Let's go. This way. Let's go gambling. Oh, I'm gonna die.
It's behind us. We're good. Capybara.
This is fudging nuts. I just saw it absolutely murder you.
Yeah, let's skip level. Let's skip this level.
Honestly, this game is fun. This is level 4. Go to level 5 or I'll kill you. Nope.
Wait,
level 6.
We went too many levels.
Level 11 is too scary, so we're gonna skip it. No! No! Let's go.
We have to do it.
Hey, yellow child monkey. Yep, and I'm cooked.
No, don't leave. No, get away.
We have to get rods, right? Why is there a stick? I thought it was.
We're cooked. Wait a minute.
Oh my gosh, he turned into a tall, skinny man.
No. Wait for me, dude.
I'm sweating. Where are you, Dominic? Is that you right there?
Jimmy! I found Jimmy! I found Jimmy, but nothing else. Alright, I gotta run. No, don't. Where are you? Capybara.
I'm finding this rod, dog.
No!
I found one. I found the key. Come on. It's unlocked. I unlocked it. Come on. I unlocked it. Dominic, I'm over here. Come on, make the run. Make the run. No! Over here.
Dude, where are you?
Right here.
I can barely hear you.
Oh, come over here.
Bro, what? Where?
Come here.
Bro, I haven't found the thing to open it.
It's over here. It's in this house. This house. It's in that house.
He's spawn camping.
It's in that house. It's in that house. I'll distract him.
Bro, spawn camping.
Yo!
He's spawn camping. Where is he?
Up there.
I know. Alright.
Look, I'm gonna phase through the wall. Alright, come on. We beat level 6. Easy win. Push this button.
Press it!
You push it.
I thought 2 people were supposed to press it.
Wait, watch this. Baby, I'm dropping in tonight. Know me in the night.
Oh, I hate this one. Bro, those aren't rods. Those are glow sticks, bro.
Where do we find the
Why are the
rods?
monsters so fast?
Who dropped their son in this nuclear wasteland? Who dropped their son in the nuclear wasteland? He's coming. Dominic, he's coming. That's a tall, skinny bozo. Oh my gosh.
I think you got yoinked.
Come here, blue boy. Come here, Jedi.
Keep coming! I already have one. Dig, stick, stick.
Stay all at it.
Wait a minute, what am I doing? What is he doing? Oh, dang it. Bro, he disappeared. Give me this second. He's coming.
See ya, buddy. Hey, Dominic, where are you?
I have 2 out of 5. Dude, I have 2 out of 5. Dang it. What? He's spawn camping. What? They're teaming. Bruh. They're teaming. Look at them. They're so obviously teaming. Dude, they're teaming on me. They're spawn
Oh.
camping.
I got this cool hat.
Spawn camping. Dude, they're spawn camping me. Help. Get into a place that's reachable for them.
There's a hat at the top of here.
Help. Bro, help. What? They're spawn camping. Dude, you gotta help.
Okay, I'm coming. Hey, buddy. Hey, bozo. Hey, buddy. is high. Stop smoking, buddy. It'll help your lungs. I think he was on that bad green stuff, you know what I'm saying?
Dang it. He's camping.
I need 2 more. I need 2 more. How is he floating?
Dude, I have 2. They're camping me. I have 2.
Follow me. I know where our rod is. I know where our rod is. It's at the top. It's at the top. It's at the top.
I know. Hard to get to the top when they're camping you.
Not for me. This is how I get to the top. I think bro is still using Zaza. Come here, Dominic. There's a rod in here.
What? They're camping.
I say we skip.
Dude.
Follow me. Follow me.
It's coming. Dude, where are you?
Right here.
Dude. Oh.
How do I have this low storage?
What? You were not there. What? They can do that? Since when? No!
Dominic, get over here.
Where?
Come on.
They're coming! Run! God, it knows.
I'm gonna come for you.
It's coming!
Wait, where did you find the rod? Where did you find it?
Huh?
What rod did you find?
I had the one from on top of there, but they kept killing me. What? He can get there?
Oh my gosh. How many rods have you collected? Dominic, how many rods did you get?
I have 3 right now. They're coming.
want to skip this level?
wait.
Let's skip this level. Come on.
Yeah, because I can't get the last two.
We're
rounds
also
'cause they're
skipping
too
level
fast.
11 because it has a very scary stuff in it.
Level what?
8. It's this level. What?
What are the rocks with a butt in?
There's not.
Oh
there's-
no, is it the little...
Something bad's about to.
guy weird.
Nope. This mouse is dumb. Sup, bro?
None of them are working. Are we about to run around the entire map pressing rocks?
I touched every rock. Not it. Sup?
What do you mean not it?
Why is he chasing you but not me? Is this big mean to short people? Sorry.
My headset battery's very low.
Oh, come on. I touched every rock here. Something bad's about to happen. Did I touch this one? What about over here? Shh, stay still. There you go.
Dude,
I touched this one.
press all the rocks. Wait, I haven't gotten this one.
So. Oh, I thought you would never kill me. I pressed the button! I pressed the button! I know where it's at! Come and get me.
Bro, where is it?
I know where the button is. Dominic!
Where?
Come on! It's over here. Dominic, it's over here. Come on.
Let's go. Now we have to make it to the exit. Oh, that was easy.
Okay.
Frick you, monster. You
We made
suck.
it. Watch this.
My headset battery's 3%. My headset battery is so low.
What's this level?
We're on level 9 now.
What do you do in this level?
What do we have to do?
I think we just have to find the exit, and that's it.
It's
Oh, no,
me,
no.
Pumpkin the Pumpkin. I want some candy to eat and I will open the door Find some candy for me.
Find some candy. Dominic? There's candy in the maze. Why is Dog so fast? Dog, he already has candy. Why do you need more? Where is it, Dog?
I don't know. I swear my head's about to die. Ow. Where's some candy? Oh, Bozo.
Wait, there's a hole.
It's here.
What? Dominic! Hold up, I gotta... Dominic! Oh, he got off. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is gonna continue tomorrow. See you next time. There will be a part 2.